How to use DeepSeek on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different tabs. Head over to the tab Chats. Once you're in the Chats page, click on the plus icon given at the top right corner. Now select the option New Contact. Now you'll need to add DeepSeek as a new contact in your WhatsApp. To do that, first you give it a name as DeepSeek, and in the phone number, type in 346133333 and 00. After you type in, click on Done. Once you add DeepSeek to your WhatsApp, click on the messaging box. Now you can have conversation with DeepSeek. All you have to do is type in any of your question or issues in this box and send it, and DeepSeek will get back to you. So this way you can easily use DeepSeek in WhatsApp. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.